Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello there. Welcome back or welcome to our podcast. I hope you were doing great and in excellent health. This is Norhalma delivering our 611th episode by Sherry DeHart. You can listen to the other sessions on iTunes, Spotify, or wherever podcast content is published. They are non-sequential, so you can listen to the topics that interest you the most. Sherry's post today is about the high cost of not keeping up with your bookkeeping. Let's explore it. If you asked 100 business owners what they like least about running a business, bookkeeping will likely rank high. It's an annoying and frustrating chore that takes up much time and is easy to put off until tomorrow. Avoiding your bookkeeping is dangerous, however. Not knowing your construction company's financial situation can result in missteps that could ultimately cost you your business. When starting bookkeeping as a construction business owner is challenging, a good first step is to break the process down into manageable tasks. Here are a few tips to help you get started. First, set up a simple system. Choose an accounting method and set up a basic system, whether a spreadsheet or accounting software tailored for construction businesses. Second, gather your documents. Collect all necessary financial documents such as invoices, receipts, bank statements, and payroll records. Organizing these into folders can make the process less overwhelming. Third, focus on one area at a time. Instead of tackling everything at once, concentrate on one aspect, like tracking expenses or invoicing, until you feel comfortable before moving to the next. Fourth, schedule regular time for bookkeeping. Setting aside a specific time each week for bookkeeping tasks can help make it a routine and prevent it from piling up. And fifth, seek help when needed. If you're feeling stuck, consider hiring a bookkeeper or accountant with experience in the construction industry. They can help you set up your system and teach the essentials, providing much needed support in this challenging task. Take small, consistent steps to gradually build your bookkeeping skills and confidence. By taking control of your bookkeeping, you're empowering yourself to make informed decisions about your business. What happens then if you fail to do so? Here are 3 costly consequences of not keeping up with your bookkeeping. First, you'll make poor decisions. You can only make informed decisions about your business when you have a complete picture of your current financial situation, including how much money is in your accounts, what your cash flow forecast predicts, and how much money you owe. Knowing when you can afford to spend money or need to hold back is much more challenging without that information. Without proper bookkeeping, your decisions will be based on how you think things are going, which isn't always accurate. You may have just finished a good month and decide it's time to hire new employees, only to find out you don't have enough money in the bank to pay them. In the long run, waiting 3 months to hire employees might be more profitable, but you won't know that because your books aren't up to date. Maintaining your books ensures that you have your company's full financial picture available so you can make smart decisions. Second, you'll make financial mistakes. Your employees contractors, and lenders all rely on you to make your payments on time, every time. Payroll itself requires considerable attention to ensure your employees receive their benefits adequately. Not keeping track of your financial books can result in expensive errors, including missed benefits, bills not being paid on time, or over or under payments. This could cost you extra in fees for late payments or rushed payments, which also affects your books. In addition to all this, financial mistakes can lead to a lack of trust. You need a trusting relationship with your employees, contractors, and lenders, and payment errors can quickly erode that relationship. And third, you'll lose money. In addition to losing money in unnecessary late fees and payment charges, not keeping track of your books can result in lost money that your business desperately needs. You won't know which one of your clients or customers aren't paying you on time, which means you can't follow up with them or add interest charges for their late payments. You could be paying too much in expenses, and if you don't reconcile your books, you'll have no idea that money is being wasted. You may have purchased a software program to enhance productivity in the early days of your business. You may have stopped using it but forgot to cancel it, so each month for the past few years, you've been paying for a service you don't use. Those payments add up and affect your overall financial position. Why outsource your construction bookkeeping to us? We might be the help you need, especially right now, it's tax season. First, flat fee, no hourly rate surprises. You don't have to pay for payroll taxes, workers' compensation insurance, health and other benefits, or office expenses. We will work within your budget, so there are no surprises. Our services are usually cheaper than hiring a qualified employee, and you can choose an hourly or flat fee. Our contract has no minimum time commitment clause. You have our service for as long as you need it. There is nothing to lose. Quality and experience. We pride ourselves on employing the highest quality bookkeeping professionals and pro advisors. Our employees have passed our extensive test, a thorough background check, and a personality screening process. Most of our employees have over 10,000 hours of bookkeeping experience. This experience level is difficult to find when seeking a part-time employee. And professionalism. As non-employees, we can give helpful, honest advice on improving your procedures and overall efficiency. Most employees want to fill their time simply and are resistant to change. Of course, there are many others, and you can find that in our website. Final thoughts. Bookkeeping might be many entrepreneurs' least enjoyable task, but it's essential. If you find yourself putting off or dreading it, it's a good idea to look into hiring someone to do it for you. Construction bookkeepers are trained and knowledgeable in the process, and they can save you valuable time and money in the long run. Otherwise, be prepared to set aside time regularly to do your books yourself. And don't let yourself put the task off. It's too critical to the future of your business. Want to get your books in order without adding more work to your plate? Contact us today. And that ends Sherry's blog post. Again, as what Sherry wrote, if you would like to discuss growing your construction business or would like to know more about our bookkeeping and accounting services for construction business owners, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can email Sherry at Sherry, S-H-A-R-I-E, Sherry at fasteasyaccounting.com, or you can call her at our toll-free number at 1-800-361-1770. We also have our Washington State local phone line, 206-361-3950. Those numbers are direct access to Sherry if she wasn't able to answer your call. Just please don't forget to leave your name, the best time to reach you, preferably in your time zone. So please let us know your time zone. And what kind of help do you need? And of course, if you have your company already, what your company name, and just leave her a message and she'll call you right back. And yes, so our promo code is still available for you to use. It's podcast20, 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 whether you need a bookkeeping template or would like to enroll in one of our construction accounting classes. Links to our online store and academy are in our blog. But if you need it, it's fasteasyaccountingstore.com and constructionaccountingacademy.com. On behalf of Sherry and our team here at Fast Easy Accounting, thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes. And make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.